Hi everybody, it's KJ from Metro Hobbies and super excited. We've got some brand new Light My Bricks. So I'm going to start off, we've got some new components. So that's going to allow us to do a little bit more than we have been able to before. So they've got the micro expansion board. So the micro bit lights are a lot finer than the normal bit lights. And traditionally we used to have a 4-port, so you could only have 4 in at one time. This is allowing you to have 8 ports in at one time, so you can light up a whole area if you need those little micro bit lights, which is very, very handy. We've also got large bit lights, so these are larger than your normal bit lights, and they usually act as a spotlight. So I'd be interested to see if they actually use it on something like the Darth Vader and spotlight the look as if it's his lightsaber glowing on his face. Speaking of Darth Vader and lights, we've got some light kits that have come in, which I'm really, really excited for, because these sets look like they absolutely need lights. They're begging for lights, you know. We've got the other helmets and they've got these nice little spotlights here. So we have the Darth Vader Light My Bricks lighting kit. It looks like there might be something blue in there, but I know that there aren't any blue bit lights in there, so it'll be interesting to see how they do it. It looks like they've got double effect going on. I'm really excited to be able to get the lights into that one. We've also got the meditation chamber, so really, really excited. Both of these are beautiful sets on their own, but I'm really excited to get them in to pop it up. So I reckon they'll have some, this is it here, and I reckon they'll have some bit lights, some red bit lights that are going on here. There's going to be a lightsaber for sure, because Darth Vader has his zoom, 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 zoom. Lightsaber is absolutely necessary. You can't have a meditation, you can't have a Darth Vader without a lightsaber. We've got some other really nice ones. So you've also got the Scout Trooper. So if you've got your little Scout Trooper from who's on Endor, the moon of Endor, going on a speeder bike, you need to light that up. Same sort of situation. It'll light up the face, and I reckon we'll have some bit light, some Lego pieces in there to do the spotlight, to light up the face from the outside as well. So it'll be very interesting to see where they place the lights and if it looks like there's a lightsaber there against Darth Vader's face. And the other one, which is if you're lucky enough to get the T2 Volkswagen Camper in your hands, you can now light that up. So you've got your little interior, and that interior won't light up unless you've opened the door. You've also got your nice yellowing of your headlights, because of course once upon a time we didn't have LEDs in our headlights on our cars, so they've really captured that effect there as well. So that's really cool. So brand new in store, links are going to be in the description. Clearly these sets are begging for lights and I can't wait to get them in. Can I say any more? Oh yes, I can. If you can imagine it, you can build it.